All right, team, radiation safety. Defaulting on protocols, caution. We could face burn sickness or worse. We must follow every step. Understood, we'll comply. Some deviation might occur tonight based on work schedules and location of the work, but not really sure for now. Sir, this permit only covers location A. It's the same project, don't worry. But we're setting up at location B. It's fine. All right, let's set up here. Copy, checking the source. Safety first, mark the area. Bro, it is just 2 joints of 6 inches schedule 40. It will not take up to 5 minutes. We are back to location A. Emeka, I can't risk it. It is on our own detriment. If anything happened there, no one will listen to you. Even the one that is pressuring us will deny us, bro. I won't do it. It's too risky. Come on, Daniel. We need you. No, I refuse. Why aren't you shooting yet? Daniel says the permit doesn't cover this location. It's only 50 meters away. The permit is already approved. Stop wasting time. Sir, the permit only authorized location A. There is no permit amendment which we're supposed to ask if we must work. The hazard assessment non-included is supposed to know because this is night work. We are trying to violate the permit to work system. And it is not good, sir. I have told you that it's just few meters away, but you are proving stubborn and arrogant. I'm not doing it. We'll continue. No, I'm done.
The permit only authorized location A. No permit amendment was issued. The hazard assessment did not include location B. Radiation controls were incomplete. The permit did not cover the work being performed.
The permit wasn't wrong. The location was. A permit isn't just paperwork. It defines where work is safe. 1 unchecked permit, 1 unauthorized location, 1 fatal decision. Permits don't exist to slow work down. They exist to make sure everyone goes home alive.